Hello, you are welcome back. So today we want to code the clear button. Now the clear button is a button when you click it, it clears the data you have entered into various fields. Now what I mean is let's run the first interface. Now once you click on this clear button, all the texts that have been entered here are going to be cleared. The text that have been entered into account number, text that have been entered into name, account number, previous balance, amount deposited, authorized staff ID. All of them will be cleared. That's the essence of the clear button. So you double click. Okay, now you come here, you press enter. So the first let's come here. The first text field here is called, come to properties, it's called JText field 1. So I guess we are going to have JText field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 of them. If you are not sure, you can come here, just click on any one, you check the name, you see that we have JText field 2. So you can check the property or check the name of each of the text field so that you can set them right. So we are going to set them to null. We're going to set each of them to null. Let's come back to design, double click, place your cursor. Okay, now just say what? J text field 1 dot set text, set it to null. J text field 2 dot set text, set it to null. J text field 3 dot set text, set it to null. J text field 4 dot set text, set it to null. J text field 5 dot set text, set it to null. And the last one is J text field 6 set it to null. That's done. Now let's come to the next one. Okay, we have the deposit table. We don't need to set anything here. We have the login interface. Our login interface, you can see it doesn't have the clear button, so we can add the clear button here. Let's come to your palette, button. You add one button here, and let's name it clear. Right click, clear. You can just expand it to make it more beautiful. We can double click, yes, isolate it, and bring it here. Double click again. So it's looking a little bit nicer. So we can double click the clear button now. Okay, we are supposed to have two text fields. Let's confirm the name. Let's come back to our design. This one is JText field 1 and it's supposed to be 2. JText field 2. Let's come back to our source code. JText field 1 dot set text, set it to null. JText field 2 dot set text, set that to null. So next one, let's check. We have the login table. We don't need anything here. We have the main interface. We don't need anything there. We have the customer registration interface. So this first one, okay, let's check the properties. How many text field? We have JText field 1. This is supposed to be JText field 2. We have JText field 3, JText field, JPassword field 1, JPassword field 1. So we have JText field 1 to 3 and JPassword field 1. So let's just click on clear, double click. So JText field. You can see that's listed 1 to 3 dot set text, set it to null. J text field 2, set it dot set text, set it to null. And J text field 3, set it to null dot set text, set it to null. Now we also have okay, let's come back to our design. We have this. What is this? Let's come to our properties. We have jcombo box 1, we have jcombo box 2, jcombo box 3, and the jcombo box 4. So now what we are going to use, the method we are going to use, it's not going to be set text. We are going to use set selected index. Now let us preview something here. Now if you check this, look at this. We have all these values. We have select account number, savings, current. They are all values. They have their index number. The first one, which is select account type, this index 1. The savings is index 2. The current is what? Index 3. So a jcombo box uses what we call index for all its values. So the first one will be 0 by default, followed by the second, which is 1, and this one will be 2. So now we want to set back the jcombo box to index 0. Anytime this clear button is clicked, we want it to go back to index 0, which is select account type. So, and the same thing happens here. We want this day is index 0, 1 year is index 1, index 2. So here we have month index 0, January index 1, and the rest. The same thing goes for year, index 0, index 1. So we want to set select selected index to be what? Back to 0. Anytime this clear button is what? Click. So if this has been chosen before, by the time you click on the clear button, it goes back to what? Index 0, which is what? Day. So that is the idea I'm trying to portray here. Let's just cancel this. Just double click the clear. It's a J combo box. You can see that we have 4 combo box. Combo box 1 dot set selected index to what? To 0. So J combo box 2 dot set selected index to 0. And we have J combo box 3 dot set selected index to be 0. We have J combo box 4 dot set selected index to be 0, and we are done. So we are done with this. So we are done with this. So like the next one we want to go to is let's say register staff. So let's check. Okay, by default, by the time we even start bringing out the text field, it's going to list all the text fields that are on this interface by default. So let's just verify the first one. Properties, this JText field 1. We have that of 2. So I know them. Let's just come to the clear button. J text field. So we have 2. J text field 1 dot set text to null. J text field 2 dot set text to null. So let's verify. We have 1, 2. This is supposed to be J password field. Let's just verify it. Yeah, J password field. So let's set our J password field to null. J password field 1 dot set text null. Now there's one thing I want to verify in my login interface. Do I have the password field on my login interface? Okay. Now, this is the login interface. Is it a password field or a text field? Okay, this is supposed to be a J password field, so I'm going to remove this. Okay, let's remove this and put password field. Password field, double click, place it here. Let's expand. Right click, edit text, and you set it to null. So this is supposed to be J password field 1. So I'm going to edit something, clear button. So this is supposed to be J password field. You can see by default it's not saying this text field again. It's supposed to be J password field. J password field 1. Dot set text is what is null. So let's continue with our register stuff. Okay, our register stuff. Okay, let's cross check the register customer interface also. Is this password field? Let's come to our properties. J password field 1. Yep. Do we have J password field 1? Okay, J password field 1 is not set to null here. So let's just include our J password field 1, set it to dot set text, set it to null. That's working fine. So let's come back to our register stuff. So now we are through with this. Now let's come to this, and this. This is supposed to be J combo box. So let's click on our clear button. Let's come here. J. Yes, we have 1 to 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. J combo box 1 dot set selected index. Set it to 0. J combo box 2 dot set selected index 0. J combo box 3 dot set selected index to 0. J combo box 4 dot set selected index to 0. J combo box 5 dot set selected index to 0. I think I'm done with that. So we are through with this interface. Now let's come to our registered. Okay, registered customer table. We have withdrawal table, withdrawal interface. Let's go to our withdrawal interface. Okay, let's just go to the. Yeah, I think we have a J text field all through. Very good. J text. We have 1 to 6 dot set text null. J text field 2 dot set text to null. J text field 3 dot set text to null. J text field 4 dot set text to null. J text field 5 dot set text, set this to null. J text field 6 dot set text, set that to set text, set that to null. So very good. So we have 1 to 6 set to null. Do you have any other? Okay, we have the withdrawal table. I went through with the deposit. Let's check the deposit table. Deposit, where are you? Deposit. Okay, that's deposit interface. I mean deposit interface. Okay, let me check it here again. Deposit interface. Okay, we are true. So thank you very much. Meet in the next class. Bye bye.